If you downloaded the Hollyland app and you've used it, it's going to look like this, Lark sound. So what you want to do is, if you find the microphone not working properly with your phone, one thing I've noticed was the Ace Pro 2. It was not finding the Ace Pro 2, or the Ace Pro 2 was not finding the Lark M2's receiver when I had it plugged in via USB-C. If this happens, go into the Lark Sound app. Make sure that you plug the USB-C receiver into the camera. Turn the camera on, obviously, so that it can supply power to this receiver. And then you should be able to find it. If it doesn't automatically show up over here, then what you do is the orange plus sign on the top right, you press that real quick. You're going to take the USB-C receiver, plug it into your phone, your cell phone device. It'll find it here in a second. It's going to say, do you want to access the wireless microphone? You click OK. And here you have the menu system. Now, you see where it says phone speaker? This option has to be on in order for the Ace Pro 2 to find the USB-C receiver of this Hollyland kit when you plug that directly into the camera. Noise reduction. If you press on it, you have weak and strong. These settings will automatically set to the receiver. So if you do not use your cell phone for wireless audio and you connect this USB-C receiver to your camera directly for audio, when you press the orange button, when you just do a short press, it's going to be weak. Now, if you select strong while it's connected to your cell phone, it will save these settings to the actual receiver. I usually don't use strong noise reduction in any situation, so I'm just going to leave it there. Same thing with the volume. When you go up on the volume automatically is going to be set to what you have it set right now. If you are going to plug this into, let's say, your cell phone, you definitely want to use this volume adjustment, because that is going to be the volume that your cell phone will apply to the receiver for your audio settings. So if you want it to be neutral, obviously you can pick either 3 or 4, and that'll be right there in the middle. I'm going to set mine on 4, and any device you plug it into, if that device does not have volume settings for your attached microphone, this is what the settings is going to be set to always. You obviously want to do mono audio recording if you're going to plug it like into your action camera. If you put it on stereo, the audio will only be on one channel. As you can see on the top here, you see it says mic 2. When you plug this into your editing program, it is only going to be on one channel, and then you're going to have to slide your volume sliders so that you get the same on both. If you don't want to have to do any editing to your volume, to your audio, just put it on mono and you'll be good. And then obviously you have schedule power off. You can have its power off at 15 minutes or never. These are set settings. There is no other option. As you can see, if I press 15 minutes, it doesn't give me any other alternate options. And then it has a little information bar to tell you the receiver and the microphone will automatically turn off if they're not paired after 15 minutes. You definitely want to set that up if you are doing stuff like not motovlogging, for example. You just put them down and you forget them. At least 15 minutes later, they'll turn off.
I'm gonna tell you guys, I actually think it's a good thing that Hollyland offers people a one microphone option. You know, with the one transmitter, you're gonna always need a transmitter. So they got a one transmitter, one microphone option, and then they got a 2 receiver and 2 transmitter option. I personally, I'm going to tell you guys, if you got the $149 US, definitely get the 2 microphone and 2 receiver options, because it's just a good package. And although you think you may not need 2 receivers, you know, one for USB-C recording and one for with the 3.5mm recording, you may not think you need it until you actually need it. Okay. If you're really penny pinching, then okay, I guess go with just the 1 receiver and 1 transmitter kit, which would be the 1 receiver is usually going to be the USB-C one. But like I said, I'm going to always highly recommend you guys getting the 2 and 2 combo, because it's just good value. Insta360, I thought it did better in low light than this. So what do you guys think? Okay, this was just the unboxing video. This was just the unboxing video, so you guys basically just, I kind of ran you through the specs, show you everything these things come with. A lot of people do like to watch unboxing videos. They want to know what it comes with. Now, I've done a little bit of recording, and right now you guys are actually hearing me on this. using the Ace Pro 2. As you guys seen in the video, the Ace Pro 2 and the Action 5 Pro are the only two action cameras as far as action cameras go. I think the Pocket 3 will allow you to do USB-C microphoning, where you take the USB-C receiver and plug it into the DJI Pocket 3, and it should work. Action 3, 4, and 5, probably the Action 2, will allow you to use the USB-C for microphoning. So, you know, you guys have options out here, man. This microphone kit, though, I was kind of testing a little bit before I actually released this video, because I like to just use my products a lot before I put a video out, which is why I'm always late to the game when it comes to a lot of other YouTubers, especially the bigger guys. I just like to make sure that I do a lot of playing around with the microphone, so when you guys start asking questions, I have an idea on what's even going on, you know. And so this microphone sounds pretty good, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Hollyland, they tuned this microphone kit really, really well. Like, I'm quite impressed with the sound. So the mic right now, the microphone is buried inside of this this hoodie. I got it clipped on the inside of this hoodie, and I have a windsock on. You know, I always put the windsock on just in case there's like, if there's any rubbing going on inside of my hoodie. Like, let's just say I was outside walking, you guys wouldn't hear the rubbing from me walking. We got police over there staged up. You guys wouldn't hear the sounds, you know, from me walking. Usually it'd be some rubbing going on with the clothing articles that you got on if you have clothing over the microphone. But since we got the windsock on, the windsock usually kind of prevents that from happening. So anyways, get in the comments below, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any video ideas, okay, I'm always open to new ideas. I hate to be like everybody else, but I am going to do the DJI Mic Mini versus this, only because the Mic Mini is in the same class. All right, these mini microphones, I've seen people talk about this before in other videos and stuff. These mini microphones are not supposed to have 32-bit float audio. Okay, stop being greedy. That's what the DJI Mic 2, that's the Rode Wireless Go 2, the Rode Me, the Wireless Go Me, and the Wireless Pro of the Rode microphones. That's what those things are for. I'm sure there's others. I'm sure Sennheiser and them guys, they make microphones that have 32-bit recording. I think Ulanzi does as well. The AM18, if I'm not mistaken, another really good microphone. I do not have that microphone, but I've listened to it. I've listened to some audio samples that came out of that microphone kit. Sounds really, really good. So, oh shoot, green light. So I'd be outside walking right now, guys, but it is brick outside, like brick as heck. It's like maybe 5 degrees Fahrenheit right now outside, and it's getting colder. So we just in Rodney just driving around. And yeah, so there's a lot of good microphones out there, guys. Really, it's just none of these microphones sound horrible. Let's just be for real here. None of them sounds horrible. They all sound good in their own ways. You know, I don't think you can go wrong with any of these microphones. They all just sound decent. I'm also going to compare this to the Ulanzi A30. You know, that's another good mini microphone kit that's very portable, comes with very strong magnets. This one doesn't have any magnets. This one requires you to clip it onto something. You have to have, you know, you gotta wear clothing articles to use this microphone. There's a lot to say, but I'm not gonna say it because we need to end this video before it gets too long. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you hit the like button, if you subscribe, and you hit the notification bells, you will be notified when my version of this microphone and my comparison videos, when they come out, you guys will get a notification for it. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to push them out in the next 2 weeks from the time that this video was released. So without further ado, thanks for watching. Jenna Segway. See you guys in the next video. Peace.